morning students, lesson number 16. We were doing exercise 16.2. Two questions we have discussed. Now question number 5. In a parallelogram ABCD, AB is equal to 3x plus 2 and DC equal to 5x minus 8. And angle A is equal to 2 times angle B. You have to find out all the angles of a parallelogram and length of side AB. Now look here, they have given you two sides. ठीक है, in terms of x they have given, that means AB equal to 3x plus 2 they have given and DC is equal to 5x minus 8 they have given. And one relation they have given, that angle 1 is 2 times angle B. If we will take angle B as y, then angle A will be 2y. Getting my point? दे रखा है angle A क्या है, angle B के twice है. So if we will let angle B as y, then angle A will be 2y. If this is y, then this will also be y. If this is 2y, then this will also be 2y, because in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Now this is given in the question. You have to find out all the angles of a parallelogram and length of AB. Now look here. Let angle B is equal to y degree. We will not let as x, because x is already given in the question. The sides are given in the terms of x. We know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So angle A will be equal to angle C, that is 2y. Angle B will be equal to angle D, that is y. So what we will do now, and we all know that sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is 360. So 2x plus x plus 2x plus x is equal to 360 degree. That means 6x equal to 360 degree. X equal to 360 upon 6, that is x equal to 60 degree. So two angles is equal to 60 degree and another two angles is equal to 120 degree. It means all angles are 60, 60, 120, 120. Now we all know that opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. That means AB will be equal to CD, and AB is 3x plus 2 and DC is 5x minus 8. That means 8 we will shift it here, 3x we will shift it here. 2 plus 8 is equal to 5x minus 3x. That means 10 is equal to 2x. That means x equal to 5 unit. Now we have to find AB. AB equal to 3x plus 2. We will put the value of x. That means 3 into 5 plus 2. That means 17 unit. This is AB. Question number 5 is completed. We have to find out all the angles, and after that we have to find the side AB. Now come to question number 8. Question number 8 says that in the adjoining figure, diagonals AC, this is diagonal AC, this is diagonal BD of a parallelogram, intersect at O. An angle BOC they have given. BOC is given 50 degree, and angle, and this is 50 degree. BOC is 50 degree and OCB. BOC is equal to 50 degree they have given in the question. ACD they have given 34 degree and CAD they have given 36 degree. What you have to find? You have to find OAB. OAB, that is angle 1 you have to find out. Then after that OCB. OCB, that means angle 2 you have to find out. Then and ADC, that is angle 3 you have to find out. Now these things are given in the question I have written. You have to find these three angles, और these three angle को हमने angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 मान लिया. This is angle 1 you have to find, angle 2 you have to find, and angle 3 you have to find. That means whole D angle you have to find. For angle 1, if we will take these two lines as parallel, parallelogram में दोनों line parallel होती हैं, and AC as a transversal. So angle 1 will be equal to 34. Reason will be alternate angle. Similarly, again we are taking these two lines as parallel, then angle 2 will be equal to 36 degree. Reason is alternate angle. See, I have written AB is parallel to DC and AC is transversal. So OAB is equal to angle 1 equal to ACD equal to 34 degree. That means OAB पहला part जो हमको find out करना था, that is equal to 34 degree. Now second part we have to find OCB. You have to find angle 2. OCB you have to find out. OCB is equal to angle 2 is equal to CAD. That is equal to 36 degree. It means OCB is equal to 36 degree. OCB is equal to 36 degree. Reason is alternate angle. Reason is alternate angle. Reason is alternate angle. Now we have to find angle 3, that is we have to find ADC. ADC we have to find, that is angle 3 we have to find. Now look here, if we will take this triangle ADC, we will take this triangle, this is 36, this is 34, this is angle D. This you have to find out. So we can apply triangles property. That means angle 3 plus angle DAC plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Reason is sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Angle 3 we don't know, 36 plus 34 equal to 180. That means angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 70 degree. Angle 3 is equal to 1110 degree. So ADC is equal to 1110 degree. We have find out the three angles. Angle OAB is equal to 34, angle OCD equal to 36 and angle ADC is equal to 1110 degree. Thank you class. The explanation of these two questions is completed. You have to do in a maths 2 in a geometry copy. You have to do these questions. Thank you class.